if you hear that little grinding noise, that's actually the compressor, best I can tell, because it'll go away as soon as I turn this off. Listen. Well, it's going to go away on its own. All right, we'll let that ride. But the point of this video is to show what the truck sounds like when the fan is not stuck. So here we go. And that's perfectly fine and what it should do and what it should sound like. And here's what it does when the fan is sticking. And it's still sticking. Look at the odometer. Up the whole time. And we'll slow down and stop just one more time so you can see that that fan's sticking through all the gears, through all the RPMs. Stuck it the entire time. That's what I'm talking about. Here we go. Listen. Locked up the entire time. It's still locked up. That's all fan noise. Gotta be proof enough. And just for further proof, I mean, look at the miles. I'm, a half mile down from where we first did that vid. The fan is still locked up. Sounds like a jet. And this is just sitting at idle, pulled into the garage. That fan is locked up.